Welcome, home cooks! Are you ready for a meal that's both incredibly delicious and ridiculously easy? Today, we're whipping up a vibrant, flavorful ravioli pesto dish that's perfect for any busy day. It's ideal for students, families, or anyone craving gourmet taste in minutes. First up, our star ingredients. Grab your favorite fresh or frozen ravioli, a jar of quality pesto, or homemade if you're feeling fancy. You'll also want some colorful cherry tomatoes and fresh Parmesan cheese. A dash of olive oil and a sprinkle of pine nuts are optional, but highly recommended for an extra touch. Cooking this couldn't be simpler. Boil your ravioli according to package directions until they float, then drain them well. While still warm, gently toss them with your pesto until every piece is beautifully coated. Add those bright cherry tomatoes for a pop of freshness and color. Finish it off with a generous sprinkle of grated Parmesan and those crunchy pine nuts. In just minutes, you've created a wholesome, mouth-watering meal. This dish is pure comfort and joy, proving that quick meals can be utterly spectacular. Enjoy every delicious bite.